हेलो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित माई शॉप डील। आज गुड़गांव में एक और कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन गुड़गांव बाय द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट फॉर्चून 500 ब्रांड्स, विच यू मी एंड एवरीवन नोज इट वेरी वेल। सो आपको कुछ भी सर्च करना होता है, द फर्स्ट नेम विच कम्स इन योर माइंड, विच डज नॉट नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन. So today I am at sector 15 in the campus of Vatika 101 and briefing you about the investment in the office spaces by one of the top-notch brand, Google. So this is the another campus of Google which they have taken it in Gurgaon by the Vatika 101. So here I am giving you a brief of the entire campus, how you can invest in this product, how the rental you will get in this product, what is the leasing time duration, what is the minimum investment you have in this product. So जो सामने आपको ठीक दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट इज़ अ DLF स्टार मॉल विच इज़ बैंक ऑन द नेशनल हाईवे. उसके बाद आपको 32 माइलस्टोन से यू टर्न लेके आना है. सो विद द एग्जिट नंबर 8 you take a U-turn and you just reach the 32 milestone. So after that you are entering in sector 16, the campus of Vatika 101. So Vatika also does not need any introduction because they are also one of the top 5 developers in Gurgaon. वाटिका की बात करें तो जितना वेस्टर्न होटल गुड़गांव के अंदर है, वाटिका बिजनेस पार्क, वेस्टर्न रिजॉर्ट, वेस्टर्न स्पा, मैत्री किरण, these all are the some of the portfolio, Enviro, the facility management company. These are some of the brands which the Vatika group maintains and take care in their portfolio. So अगर हम brands की बात करें for the long term leasing, so this is the overall campus of the Vatika 101. इस campus की जो specialities की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो इट हैज़ द डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी विद द नेशनल हाईवे. सो जैसे कि किसी भी कंपनी को टॉप नॉच ब्रांड्स को आने के लिए कनेक्टिविटी इज़ द फर्स्ट एंड द टॉप नॉच इशू. सो यू आर सीइंग द एंटायर कैंपस. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गजीबोस, लॉट ऑफ सिटिंग एरियाज, लॉट ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज. दीज आर द ब्लॉक्स विच यू आर सीइंग आर द 4 blocks. ब्लॉक नंबर 2, ब्लॉक नंबर 3, ब्लॉक नंबर 4 and block number 5. So these are the blocks of वाटिका 101 which they have just launched. So अगर हम पर ब्लॉक की बात करें तो हर ब्लॉक के अंदर आपका रिटेल है. जो आप सेंटर में देख रहे हैं, दीज आर द बिग रेस्टोरेंट्स ऑफ द कैंपस ऑफ द गूगल वाटिका 101. अगर हम पार्किंग की बात करें तो सामने आप पूरा का पूरा रिटेल एरिया देख रहे हैं जो कि लगभग 44,000 स्क्वायर फीट का है. सो दिस यू कैन कॉल्ड इट एज अ रिटेल एरिया और द रिटेल हब. अगर हम पार्किंग की बात करें तो इस पूरे कैंपस के अंदर लगभग 3 लेवल का बेसमेंट है. सो विच हैज़ अ सफिशिएंट कार पार्किंग इनसाइड द कैंपस ऑफ मोर देन 2,000 कार्स इनसाइड द कैंपस. So the basement is from one point to the another point. So there are only the blocks, if you seeing up, there are only 6 blocks. These 4 which are already for the ground plus 6 story. So ground you have the waiting area, lounge area similar to DLF1 Horizon for the high level of security and the safety. And these are the first plus 6, ground plus 6 story building. And each block carries lagbhag 2 lakh square feet of area of the Google. So 2 lakhs in this block, 2 lakhs in this block, 2 lakhs in this block and 2 lakhs in this block. So total area which the Vatika has leased it out to the DLF in each of these 4 blocks is approximately 8 lakh square feet of area. Plus सामने जो आप ये रिटेल देख रहे हैं, they are making the retail for the total area of 44,000 square feet. So this retail is again taken care by the Vatika facility management team Enviro, which is again in-house. This retail area which is ground plus 3 story and it is of total area 44,000 square feet. It is ready for possession, ready for handover. So very soon you will find the everything is operational here. These 4 blocks are ready for final fit outs and they will be finally working soon with all the Google employees in the campus. So सबसे अच्छी बात है, ये पूरा सोल्ड आउट है. अगर आप ब्लॉक की बात करें तो ये चारों ब्लॉक्स जो आप देख रहे हैं, so these all 4 blocks are already sold out. So this is block number 4, this is block number 2, this is block number 3 and this is block number 5. So these all blocks are already sold it out. What the recent development which you are seeing the construction in the front of this, so these are the block which are open for the sale currently. These are the 2 blocks, block A and block B. Of the height, block B is of the height of ground plus 7 story. So they have the total area of 2,35,000 square feet with the leasing rights with the Google. So you can invest in this campus. So let me take you to the height of the ground floor. So this is a proper security level, your high level of security will be there in the ground floor, in the lounges area and all that, and your visitors lobby is there on the ground floor. So office entry starts from the first floor where you have the offices and all are working here together. All the top of the towers which you are seeing it here are the solar panels. So solar panels are being planned at the top of the tower where you have the energy conservation. So this is a gold LEED certified building, and all the lights and everything is connected with these solar panels, so that all the buildings of Vatika are the green buildings, and you have the energy conservation on all these buildings with the proper blocks. So you have the proper lighting, proper landscaping, proper greenery, proper sitting areas, and a -3 level of basement parking in this entire campus of Vatika. So Vatika 101 is prominently good for investment purpose. If you want to invest in this product, you can invest in the area office spaces having an area of 500 square feet in the block B. So they have a total area of 2,35,000 square feet, and minimum investment in this product is 1 CR onwards. So 1 CR का आप investment कर सकते हैं, and 129 rupees per square feet का rental है, जो minimum area that is 500 square feet, तो लगभग आपका 65,000 पर month का rental बनता है. और जो lease sign की है Google ने वो है 25 years की. So the lease on this product which is signed by Google is of 25 years lease, and every 3 years you have the escalation of 15% in this unit and the campus of the Google. So if you are looking for the investment in the product, it is a highly recommended product from the MyShopDeal team, and you can look up. If you look up the nearby area, what are the nearby areas which you can have a look upon is the DLF Star Mall, which you are seeing in front. At this side you are seeing the 32 Milestone Center, which is the Experion 32 Milestone Center, where you have all the restaurants, you have the 34 International. This is the Galaxy Hotel, which you are seeing it in the nearby area. Medanta is just 5-minute drive from here. The airport is just 15-minute drive from here. So all the things are the nearby in this campus. Bestech Athena is again the 5-minute drive from this campus. So you can invest your amount if you want to invest it. So minimum office spaces which are available here, it is starting from 1 CR onwards. So you can just raise the query. We will there to assist you, guide you throughout the journey. It is the campus which is ready for lease it out, and very soon the brand Google is operational there. So thank you so much. Stay safe, take care. We'll resolve all your query. Meet you soon with another project video along with you friends. So this is Vatika 101. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, any question, any query, please let us know, or otherwise you can invest with India's best friend. This side Ankit Malik, your host, those friends, signing off. Stay tuned with MyShopDeal to know more updates about the campus, about the project, about the location. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care.